So you're a potential online Wing Chun student. There's not a studio or school in your area and you're thinking about doing Wing Chun online. All right, so this is what I'm going to tell you. There's no quality control of who puts a video out. YouTube really is not the best place to learn Wing Chun. Yes, I have Wing Chun videos out there on YouTube that help, but quite honestly, find a structured course or find a Sifu to train directly under and continue on there. That's how you are going to benefit yourself most. A lot of people just go and look for free training because they don't feel they have the money. But you are worth that investment in yourself. And quite honestly, it's not that much money, really, in the end of the day. Invest in yourself to become actually good. That's how anybody that's truly gotten actually good has done. They've invested in themselves. But when you're looking for legitimate Wing Chun, and I'm talking about someone with a legitimate lineage that can actually help you learn good Wing Chun, someone that's actually studied for a long term with a legitimate Sifu, and you can track that, because what that means is that you're getting it actually passed down from a high quality source. Look for quality when you're looking for an online program. Who is their Sifu, or who did they learn from? And for how long were they studying under them? Because, yes, it matters who their teacher is, but it also matters how long they were really repping with them. Because if they learned from somebody that's legitimate but only had a year with them, that's not long enough to really get something from someone. You want to spend years under a teacher or a Sifu. You want to spend years developing the craft under them. If you can't find any information on who someone's Sifu is that you're trying to learn from, that's an issue. That's a red flag. So if someone is hiding who they've learned from, they're trying to cover something up, basically. Well, the next thing to know is how knowledgeable are they, right? The person that you're learning from. And are they able to do those things that they're saying? There's a lot of theory-based things out there that people say to do but actually can't apply it. So try to do your research and see, does this person actually look to apply these things? Are they working with other people? Does it look like they can use their Wing Chun well? And if it does, then okay. They do, then so be it. But that's important. That's the next part is are they knowledgeable, and then can they apply that knowledge? Because having that understanding of how to apply is going to help you, because they're going to have the insights that just theory alone won't be able to cut through the mess. The next thing to look out for is titles. If someone is constantly referring to themselves as master or grandmaster, you can't master Wing Chun, let alone grandmaster it. If someone is referring to themselves as master so-and-so, or I'm grandmaster so-and-so, that makes me look the other way, because they're trying to prop themselves up with that. And no, the title Sifu is not master. Okay, so understand, even though a lot of people accept that as what it is, the term Sifu actually for Wing Chun is two characters, a character of teacher and father together, father-teacher. So it's a family, a Kung Fu family, and this person takes on a relationship with you that is more than just a class teacher. it's a family you're part of, and they're your teacher. So that's what Sifu really entails. It does not translate as master, regardless of how many people may accept that as such. It really does not. I'm not going to BS you and tell you you can learn all of Wing Chun from online. You can't. But at the same time, I'm not going to throw the baby out with the bathwater either. Because here's what you can do. There's a lot of things, because of modern technology and video and being able to watch things and explain things, such as here, that you can learn about Wing Chun and of Wing Chun through videos, through a course, okay? I like to say that you can learn about half of Wing Chun material through online. But whatever course you do, you should try to stay with that same Sifu throughout, because there's also a lot of Wing Chun out there that's very different, and everyone has their own interpretations of the system. And that's whether they're legitimate or not. They're still going to have different interpretations of the system. So you want to stick with the Sifu you want to stick with one method so that you can actually get good at that one method. If you're doing some stuff here and you're doing some random stuff here, you're doing some other stuff with somebody else, you're going to diffuse your efforts and you're not really going to get good. I know there's a mindset that says, oh, I want to get the good parts from this, I want to get the good parts from that, and the good parts from them. No, that honestly does not work that way. You need to find one high quality Sifu and stick with them. And there are a few out there, okay? But they're not plentiful. They're not plentiful. In order to get good, legit Wing Chun, it's not easy. It's truly, truly not easy. So my best recommendation to you is, again, find one, go through their course, and after their course, train with them. If you're in America and you don't have someone in your area that teaches Wing Chun and you want to do my course, fine. Do my course, complete it, then after that, what you want to try to do is two separate things. One, you want to start a little study group in your area. Okay, so you're going to recruit people in your area and you're going to lead that study group. That study group is going to be under my methods. Okay, that's one. The other thing is you're going to need to continue to get better. You can't just take my course, start a study group, and think that it's going to do really anything for you just doing that. You have got to get better. You need hands-on training, specifically from me, after taking my course, in order to get the other parts. How often should you come and see me? Well, that depends on your funds and where you're located. I'm in Florida. Maybe you come for a weekend and then fly back to wherever you are. And you do that once, twice a year. If you can do it more than that, you're going to get better quicker. But if you can't, financially, fine. The other thing is I have online private things that I can do with you, or online classes via Zoom that can keep you flowing too. So I have a number of options after my online course that can really ramp you up, even distance training wise. I'm Sifu Adam Williss. For my online course, you can go to wingchunlessons.com. I'm the founder of the Dragon Institute, and Wing Chun Lessons is the brand of my online course. It's a 90-day course that goes through everything from Sunum Tao, even starts on the wooden dummy, goes simultaneous attack and defenses, crucial concepts, structure, even goes into some energy work, some understanding of the concepts behind sticky hands and things like that. So lots of things at wingchunlessons.com. Thank you much.